Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a broken zipper on jeans. First, let's figure out what's wrong. Is the slider stuck, or are some teeth misaligned? Maybe the pull tab broke off. Understanding the issue helps us choose the right fix. You might only need a few simple tools, like a pair of pliers or even just your fingers, to get things back on track. Let's dive into some common problems and their easy solutions. Often, a zipper just needs a little nudge. If the slider is off track, you can often guide it back by hand. For a slider that feels loose, gently squeeze its sides with pliers to tighten its grip on the teeth. Sometimes, a bit of friction is the culprit. A pencil's graphite or a bar of soap can work wonders as a lubricant, making the slider glide effortlessly. These simple tricks can save you a lot of time and effort. When the slider itself is broken, replacing it is often the best solution. First, you'll need to remove the old one, usually by carefully prying open the metal stop at the top or bottom of the zipper tape. Then, slide on your new slider, making sure it faces the right way. Once it's on, secure it by crimping a new metal stop firmly in place with pliers. This can give your jeans a whole new lease on life. Sometimes, the damage is too extensive for a quick fix, especially if many teeth are missing or the tape is torn. In these cases, replacing the entire zipper is necessary. You'll carefully unpick the old zipper from your jeans using a seam ripper, taking your time to avoid damaging the fabric. Then, sew in a brand new zipper, ensuring it's the correct length and type for a perfect, lasting repair. It's a bit more work, but worth it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.